Downsizing is like exercising. Come on, no one really wants to do it. What we want is what's on the other side of the effort. Exercising contributes to our physical and our mental well-being. So does cleaning out the closets of our life. And I mean everywhere that we hold drama, clutter, unnecessary stuff, thoughts and energy in all of its forms. In this case, downsizing our physical space brings calm, less mental chaos, and more freedom from moving things, searching for things, paying for things, and maintaining things. So where do we start? We have to be clear on why we want to do this. Just like exercising. Why do you want to run 10 kilometers a day? Why do you want to be able to do 50 sit-ups? Same questions go for downsizing. Why do you want less stuff? Why do you want more white space in your life? Why do you want to be free from a big home, big expense, and big maintenance? I'm constantly wrestling with and reminding myself of my why to keep me motivated and keep me on track. My why is to have lower financial overhead so that I can travel when and where I want, so I can spend my time engaged in activities that I love. I want to be able to dedicate my time and my skills to lifting up other people and to live, love, and lead by example. Basically, to have time, space, and money to live on my terms. I think that one of the biggest challenges in downsizing and decluttering is staying motivated by having a strong why. So that's why I created the Downsizing for a Better Life workbook. This will get you started on the mental and the physical clutter. You can get it below by clicking the link, follow me, and let's get our lives in tip-top shape together. Are you in?